How can email marketing affect B2B business in digital transformation? Welcome to our exploration of how email marketing drives B2B digital transformation. Let's uncover its key roles in just a few moments. Email marketing builds trust through personalized communication, essential in periods of transformation. It's a powerhouse for lead generation and nurturing, converting potential clients into loyal partners. Personalization enhances engagement, aligning product services with clients' digital needs. Email marketing offers valuable data for precise data-driven decisions, enhancing campaign effectiveness. Seamless integration with automation streamlines communication, saving time and effort. Embrace email marketing's power in your digital transformation journey. Thanks for joining us today. Happy emailing!